Maabitha a borithi megwikinyitie thitoo-ini ici irĩ gukuhĩ na college ya bandari mwena wa Mombasa thutha wa gukinyirwo ni uhoro ati kuri na cukari wigitwo kuo. Mwene thitoo ici aking'ethanĩra na borithi kwenda kumenya kiria giguthiaga na mbere.
This is my private property.
There is nothing like private property when police are here. Period.
Kuringana nake cukari uyu uria arauga no makunia-ini 80 umwene wa kuma bururi wa Egypt na uria ungi Brazil na uingirite guku bururi-ini na njira njitikirie kiwatho na ukahithukio.
And all the imports are done legally with all documentation I have. It has been cleared by cabs. Everything is in order. But I don't know why I'm being harassed.
Guku maabitha a borithi makihinyiriria cukari uyu ni makorire ugicenjio makunia. Mwene Cukari augite makunia maria matari cukari etagie ni undu wa uria ungiturika na ndacenjagia ikunia cabs itoi.
Some information from concerned members of public that some characters were changing some sugar from some sacks, and it is believed that the said sugar was expired.
The bags, when they get torn, I pile them up. And then I write to cabs seeking permission for rebagging. It's all done officially. Those bags which came for 2015 empty bags, they are new, they are not used bags.
Rori ici iria igukuaga cukari kuma thitoo-ini ino ikigirio kuma guku maabitha a borithi makiuga cukari uyu ukuigwo rungu rwa ugitiri o nginya timu ya honge itiganite iria iratuiria cukari uria utagiriire uthurime. Cukari uyu uhithukitio riri mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini Aden Duale augite ni akahithuria maritwa ma itanya iria ikoretwo ikirehe cukari uria uratuika uri na thumu kuma nja ya bururi.
The guy who brought 185 metric tons of sugar not fit for human consumption, plus over 60 other importers. That report is before committees of parliament.
Ni anyororete ripoti iria ikoretwo mitambo-ini ya ukinyaniria cia kumugiritania mari hamwe na onjoria a ruriri rwa gicumari na cukari uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.